all looks great. Now that's the last piece we can put in the wall part. It's time to think about the cap. The manufacturer sent us the same stone, but it's wide and it's got a rock face edge on it to hang over the wall. This is going to be our cap. You can see the front edge is sawn cut. So when we bring the two together, we're able to make a nice mortar joint. But we have one problem. Down here in the end, we're going to be able to see this edge. And I don't like to see that sawn cut. So what I want to do is replicate this rock face edge on the end of the stone. To do that, I'm going to take my diamond blade saw and cut a series of little cuts in here, top and bottom, and then take a hammer and chip them away. By doing that, it'll give it a nice rock edge to match the rest of the stone.
Great.
So take a couple shovelfuls and put it on top. All right, maybe just a little more. Now, with all the mortar up here, grab your hand trowel. All right, Dennis, this looks good. Let's drop this in. What I'm looking for is about an inch overhang. So bring that out a little bit. Okay, now take your hammer. Let's tap this right down into that bed of mortar. Go ahead, all the way, keep banging. Okay, that looks pretty good.